It's a very sad morning. Kikuyu Entertainment Fraternity ikigutho igutha inene muno na gutiga mashabiki Aini actors othe magicakaya na ruo runene muno. And even more sad news that happened last night. Ndeto itigite bururi mugima na kimako na maithori. Mutino muru muno wa bara urahanikire hwai waira involving a Kenyatta University bus and a trailer in Voi along Mombasa Nairobi highway. Now it is said that 11 students succumbed, now 42 others left with serious injuries. A very horrific sight. Now it is said that the students were headed to Mombasa for an academic trip when this tragedy hit them. Na Kenya ni moretie muno kai kurathi atia mabarabara-ini, and also why all these accidents involving school buses na arutwo gutigwo makionia nguraro na angi magite mioyo yao. Just the other day, actually 2 days ago, there was another accident, Kapsabet Boys High School. Naru Oreki, we have yet another very tragic accident. Na our deepest condolences to the entire fraternity of Kenyatta University, to the 11 students who passed away. Ngai arohe hinya family ciao na kuri aria magurarite, quick recovery to them. Na rukuri ndeto igitigite Aini na a Kenya na the entire Kikuyu Entertainment Fraternity na ruo runene muno. Muthaki wari ngumo muno miaka-ini ya hau gatene. Muthaki wathakaga muno na a mutheke hejo a macangi a wadahuhu ogwetwo matũgũta niarikitie kuhuruka. Na it is said that she had been battling cancer, na ndeto ino yumbũrĩtwo nĩ mutheke hejo uria aremetwo kuhitha kĩya gĩake na gĩkiuga mani ma matũgũta uria rĩtwa rĩake hasa nĩ Jerusha Wanjiku nĩ arũa mbara nene muno na mũrimũ ũyũ wa cancer, but she has succumbed na akinyitanĩra na the entire acting industry ya Gîkuû Gûcakaya matũgũta na makimwendithĩria kuhuruka kwega. May she rest in eternal peace. Now our deepest condolences to her family. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.